So I guess, I don't know if somebody hit the wrong button. I did the air conditioning recharge on this one. It's 92 degrees right now. Let's get over to here and look at our temperature. So here's our pressures. It's 92 degrees outside. This was sitting in the sun. It was about 150 degrees inside the car. And they said it wasn't cooling. Well, it's not going to cool right away unless the wrong button was hit. God damn it. Forgot my number. So here's what we got. Here's our outside temperature. This is what's coming out of the dash right now, 49. Well, that was when I took this picture. Let's go live. So now we're gonna go live. Where is my software? Right there. 39 degrees Celsius, 92 degrees outside. 92 degrees, only 190 on the high side, 27, 39 degrees coming out of the dash. So a button must have been hit wrong or something, but yeah.